Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your SST teacher Afshin. In this lecture, students, you will be able to describe the importance of Peshawar city and also explain the origins of Buddhism. Let's talk about Peshawar. Peshawar is one of the oldest living city in Asia. People have lived there for more than 2000 years. Peshawar was an important city in the kingdom of Gandhara. It was King Kanishka's capital city as well. King Kanishka was Buddhist also, and he wanted his people to be Buddhist. He built an enormous stupas at Peshawar. Gandhara was a part of King Kanishka's kingdoms as well. Now let's talk about the religion Buddhism. Do you know who was the founder of Buddhism? Prince Siddhartha Gautama was the founder of Buddhism. He was born in Nepal about 2500 years ago. When he grew up, he left his palace and all his riches and lived like a poor man. He saw people who were poor, ill, hungry and dying from hunger. For a long time he sat under a tree in a quiet garden. He thought about why people suffered these things. Then he went out to teach his people about Buddhism. Many people listened to him. They called him the Buddha, and Buddha means enlightened, knowing all. Now it's time for the home task. Write down few lines about Siddhartha Buddha and then send me on my email address, which is afshinsimab@gmail.com.